Wish sentences in the past use I wish plus past perfect tense. This structure expresses regrets about things that happened or did not happen in the past. When you use this grammar, you talk about situations you wish were different now because of past actions. The basic structure follows subject plus wish or wishes plus subject plus had or had not plus past participle. For example, I wish I had studied. Notice wish always uses past perfect after it, even when talking about recent past events. This tense shows the action happened before now. Look at this first example. The real situation is I did not study for the exam. The wish sentence becomes I wish I had studied for the exam. The past perfect, had studied, shows regret about a completed past action. This changes a negative past fact into an expressed wish. Second example shows we missed the train as the real situation. The wish becomes I wish we had caught the train. Notice the subject changes from we to had caught. Past perfect always follows wish to show the missed opportunity happened before now. Third example uses she did not call me as reality. The wish sentence is I wish she had called me. Here the subject she stays the same, but uses past perfect had called. This structure works with any subject to express personal regret about others' past actions. Fourth example shows negative past perfect. He stayed up late becomes he wishes he had not stayed up late. Notice had not plus past participle for negatives. This expresses regret about something that actually happened in the past. Fifth example uses they ate too much chocolate. The wish becomes they wish they had not eaten so much chocolate. Notice quantifiers like so much work with past perfect. This shows regret about the degree or amount of a past action. 3 key points to remember. First, wish sentences express regrets about the past. Second, always use past perfect tense with had or had not plus past participle. Third, follow the structure wish plus had or had not plus past participle. Practice these points to master past wish grammar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.